everybody, it's Mira Abishan here of MCRM Fertility, part of the First Fertility Network. Today's episode is in honor of the Super Bowl, and it's still possible to eat healthy and preserve fertility and improve it, even while watching the big game. So today I'm going to do a riff on queso dip by making it vegan. And all of these ingredients, many of which are very good for fertility. So we have plant-based protein in the form of cashews. We've got tomatoes, which are a very rich source of antioxidants. Just pantry-friendly ingredients. And then a variety of spices. And we're gonna microwave this for just a few minutes. The recipe is going to be in the comments. I adapted it. To make this more of a microwave friendly recipe, I soak these cashews. They're raw cashews, so they're not roasted. I just soak them in water overnight and I drain them. That'll make them easier to blend up later. And the original recipe called for cooking this on a stovetop. I'm at work, so microwave it is, but I think it'll still be delicious. Let's give it a try. Oh, this is smelling really good, and I haven't even blended it yet. So that's what the microwaved cashews with the spices in there and the juice from this can of tomatoes instead of the water is what I used for this. And the spices that I used were cayenne pepper, chili, cumin, turmeric, garlic, and onion. It's like dehydrated powder. So all very pantry ingredients, shelf stable. And now we're going to blend this with some roasted red peppers, nutritional yeast, or nooch is the term, some vinegar, and some of the tomatoes from this can. And we're gonna do that next, and we're gonna be well on our way to our queso then. Okay, I'm gonna let her rip. When it does that, it needs a little bit of water, so that's what I'm gonna get and add now. So what I did here is I just took this can, I filled it partway with water, and I just added it a little bit at a time and then blended it. You really should use a high-speed blender for this if you have one, because that really makes quick work of these cashews. But it's really looking nice now. And then, so you can see what that looks like. It has a yellow hue from the nutritional yeast and the turmeric. The nutritional yeast gives it a little bit of a cheesy flavor. It's the vegan's version of cheese, but I mean, it's not gonna taste exactly like cheese, but it'll still be delicious. And here you have it, vegan queso made with cashews, spices, nutritional yeast, can of tomatoes, roasted red peppers, all excellent for the fertility diet. And now it's just a matter of assembly. So now you take your tomatoes that you would drain from that can and you just put it right over the top. Some jalapenos. Some chopped cilantro. And now you've got your perfect dip for your Super Bowl party, and you can still keep your fertility goals on track. This can be used for dipping chips, celery, carrots, or just eating straight off the spoon, which is what I'm gonna do. So hope your team wins. Chef's treat.